kill them. Stop!
You see them? What's with this one now? What's with this one now?
Why do you want to kill them now?
Because he consign you. Why you can't separate us? Two of the way you pursue now. If I don't catch them now, you are go face so.
Wait, Ichaka. Whatever they did, is that why you want to end yourself in prison?
You consign prison, consign this our innocent fight. When you consign prison, consign our fight.
See this one. So you don't know say if I not come that time, why I come? Either one of them or two go die and life imprisonment now your portion. You don't know.
God forbid. I jump and pass, no me go die for prison. Now them, their parents, all the family members, all of them go die for prison. You see this fight? It never end. Anywhere where I see them, we will continue this fight. That's what my life day.
That's what your life day.
Anywhere where I see them, we will continue this fight.
That's what your life day. She have told you to stop fighting. Stop fighting, especially with boys. Why do you want to put your auntie Amarachi in trouble? Why? Chaka, why?
He consign you. He consign you, Auntie Rapu. No put my aunt's name for this matter. No put her name for this matter. Make her no insult you, Joy. What if your own safe? If I don't catch this idiot where you pursue come out for this person, I will come back for you. Make her just go and know whether they still want place with it.
Oh, you still want fight? You don't have to tell me. She won't fight. Imagine. She will not kill her auntie.
Auntie Amara! Hey! Auntie Amara! Hey!
Emeka, what is it? Why are you shouting my name like that?
You're a group of boys, so...
Beating Ichaka. Beating Ichaka? Yes. Why? Where? I just saw them on my way back from school. They're fighting.
Oh, this girl. Please come and show me. Come and show me where they are fighting. No, this girl will not kill me. Where are the boys that are beating you? Where are they?
Me, Taka. Nobody beats me, oh. I know say this Emeka go tell you say person they beat me. Nobody beats me. In fact, me, I fight them. What be fight? Nobody beats me now.
Will you stop that rubbish? Were you fighting with some boys or not?
I dey fight. In fact, what be fight safe? Not be fight. I beat them. If I say fight, go be like say we dey play. I beat them. Them collect well. Okay, now I want to make this useless idiot come tell you say I dey fight.
I mean they call idiot. Just take time, man, no enter you for you.
When you tell me they crazy, what make I...
Ichaka, will you shut up your mouth? How many times have I want you to stop fighting? How many times? Is something wrong with this your head? Is something wrong with your head? Fight. Emeka, thank you, You can go home, oh? Thank you.
Make I not slap you now. Make I not slap you.
Oh yeah, go to the house.
Don't worry.
Go to the house now.
I go target next.
Ichaka, trouble no dey tire you. Ichaka, wahala no dey tire you.
Baby, please, take it easy. You're hurting yourself, and this is not good for your health. Please.
What do you want me to do? Ichaka has become a bone stuck to my throat. I can't swallow it and I can't spew it out. I am the only relation she has. Will I abandon her?
No, baby, no one is saying you should abandon her. All I am saying is that you should start seeing things from the positive side. Believe me, to get better.
When? What have I not done for Ichaka? I dropped out of school because of her. Not like I'm complaining because It's all thanks to you. I completed school at the Open University. So why can't Ichaka, why can't she let me have peace of mind? Why can't she give me a breathing space?
Baby, please stop. Stop crying because it hurts so much for me to see you cry. Believe me, she will change. With time, she will change. She's just a kid.
Just a kid. You and I know that Ichaka is 16. The fact that she's stunted girl doesn't make her a kid. She's not. She's supposed to be in SS3 or SS2. But she's in JS3, causing trouble, fighting every now and then, causing havoc. Why? Do you even know what she told me?
What did she tell you?
That school is not her calling. That she wants to start hawking. She wants to start hawking.
But baby, don't you think you should put that into consideration? Maybe she's right. Maybe school is not her calling.
How do you mean? How can school not be her calling? How? It's not as if she does badly in her exams. Ichaka is smart and intelligent. But the point is that she doesn't even sit for exams. Leonard, you don't know that girl. That girl is full of mischief.
Baby, look. Listen. Look at me. I'm here for you. For us. Everything will be fine. Believe me. Come here, okay?
Who are you greeting? It is good I met you. What is good about this evening? No, what is good about this evening? Look at what that's your Ogbanje niece did to my son. See, just take a look at my son. Please, I beg you. Tell her to stay away from my son. They are not age mates. Tell her, please. It is because of the wickedness of your sister and her husband that made God to punish them with that evil girl. Tell her to stay away from my son. Do you hear me? Or does she want to kill my son the way she killed her parents?
Mama, I'll go. How can you say such words about my late sister and her husband? Haba, it's not fair.
Then what is fair? Is it this thing that she did to my son that is fair? No, tell me. Let me just warn you for the last time. You better go and buy shame and shame that thing. Do you hear me? Better shame that your dog. Because the next time it steals towards my territory, I am going to kill it. Nonsense!
Mama, I'll go. You need to mind the kind of things you say now, You need to mind what you say when you're angry. I'm so sorry, okay? But you just need to calm down.
Just need to calm down. No, let her come close to my son again. Nonsense.
No dey tire you. Hey, chaka. Wahala no dey tire you. Hey, chaka. Hey, chaka. Every day trouble. Hey, chaka. Ichaka answer your call. Her call not dey finish.
I've not even gotten home. And I met Mama Ago on my way. You need to see the way Ichaka dealt with her son. Hey! You need to see the way she was lamenting. How bitter she was. Hey! This girl will not kill me.
She won't. I pray Hawking will help her stop fighting. I pray. Because I was one that freed those guys from her grip. I'm telling you, she was even boasting that the fight will continue.
Do you know, I don't know where Ichaka gets the strength from. I don't know where she gets the strength to fight 2 boys at a time. I heard that there were a lot of them, but some ran away.
You know, according to her, she said fighting is her talent. Yes, but the problem is that, selling akara and bread, if it's not sold in a day, it will get spoiled.
My dear, it doesn't even have to be akara and bread. Even if it's to sell pure water or mineral, anything at all. Let her just hawk, since she said that's her calling. Let her do it. But please, I will beg you. I need you to help me watch and guide her. Oh, Pico.
Everything is Ichaka's calling apart from school. Yes, except school. But please, I have heard what you said. I might not be able to tolerate her excesses. Please, warn her.
I will see. Thank you very much. I will warn her when we get home. I will warn her. Oh, thank you.
Alright, no problem. Go and take care.
He's such an embodiment of virtue. An amazing soul. He may not be financially rich, but he's not freaked by wealth. That's a real man. Yes. He has a wealthy character. I mean, every man in this village would do anything to get me to smile at them. He's so smart to have coded all the advances I made at him, despite how innocent I made it look. Oh, Lord. I'm falling in love with this guy. I mean, won't I appear crazy to be dying for him? No, Lord. Oh, Lord. I think I'm falling in love with this guy. Won't it appear crazy that I'm dying for him? I mean, he may not be physically big, but he's mentally and spiritually a giant. After all, I'm not crazy. No, I'm not. I'm not. I mean, I like him. Yeah.
Someone's face is obviously bright today. How are you, my love?
I'm fine.
Come here. Mm. Come here. How are you?
Fine. You look sharp.
Thank you.
You were right.
So what's up?
Do you know you were right?
Right about what?
The hawking business I told you Chaka wanted to start. She has started it already.
Wow.
And since she started this business, Ichaka has not fought with anyone for 1 week now.
Baby, this is some good news.
Yes.
I told you that hawking is actually a talent.
And not only that, she makes approximately 100% interest on everyday sales.
Wow.
Like she is really taking this business seriously.
Baby, are you for real? You know what? Let's just keep it going that way. I believe with time, she will redirect the energy to education, believe me. I told you that she will get better, right?
I hope so, and I pray so. I'm so happy.
I'm so happy that you're happy.
For 1 week, I have rested. But I'm happy.
Don't worry, don't worry. I told you she will change. I told you.
I know so.
Babe, guess what?
What?
I got something for you.
You did?
Yes.
What did you get for me?
Just wait. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
It's closed.
Okay. Make sure you don't open it.
Okay, fine. What did you get? Did I guess?
Don't guess. You can open your eyes, baby.
What's that?
Maybe you should check it out.
A perfume. Come here, perfume.
I know you like it.
Thank you. I love it.
I love you, babe.
I love you. I love you. I love you
I
too.
want you to be happy.
I'm always happy with you.
I cut on my face, my nose, my ears, chip at the morning for mama, for Nemo, for mama, for Nemo, to my face, my mouth, my ears, my nose, put on my eyes, my mouth, my face, my ears, I cut on my face, Apitoro Makamo, Apitoro Mokumo. I hawk for mama. Everything I do is for mama. Makanemo. Onye kuchuzo kwatu oye. Makamama. Onye mechio. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Bia. Where are you going again with that gallon? I thought you said the other one was the last one. Do you want to kill yourself with work?
But I found out that this one cannot fill the drum, so let me just when you want to let me go and fetch it just now.
No way. The one you have fetched is enough for us for today. Because rest. I don't want you to go out without eating. Go inside and eat. Unna.
Well, I'm not killing myself now. You do not take like let me just go and fetch this and then come back and relax. I'm not killing myself with work. And on a normal self is a normal house chores. And also my duty as a son to do chores for my mother. Nothing do them, nothing do them now. What is it now? Why are you downstairs?
Tears of joy. I mean, what could I have done in this life without you? My life would have been miserable without you in my life.
Oh, nah. Why not they hand this kind of thing? No, they hand that kind of thing. I don't tell you, they hand this kind of thing. Now you give me home that night. If not for you, hunger for why be waiting no good.
It's just
even their life by now. So.
It's just divine providence. My son, I thought we agreed that you will not be speaking that bad English again.
Male, no verse. Now how condition keep me this morning? I bring out my street language. No say now condition make a fish bend. I don't matter.
Come, go and eat. Come. Could I have done without this girl? His presence in my life brought me so much joy and comfort. If not, my life would have been miserable. But I'm scared. I'm scared that I will lose him one day.
My dear sister, I am very happy. Honestly, I can't thank you enough. You have really transformed Ichaka's life. Do you know that all Ichaka talks about now is my market, business, and money? No more fights. That's the only thing she talks about.
My sister, I'm equally surprised though. If you see the joy and energy she puts in selling her things, hey! Anyway.
Hey, I was going to ask, why is it that she's not selling one thing? Today, she will sell pure water. Tomorrow, mineral. Another day, a different thing. Like today now, she's selling egg roll and buns. So why can't she just stick to one market? Yeah? I don't understand.
My dear sister, market is as it favors you. The good thing is that she sells everything she bought in a day. Yes.
Okay, I guess you're right. Because she's really making gains from it. And she's making money. But I'm worried.
Worried about what?
I'm worried that she may go back to this fighting lifestyle. Also, she's supposed to be in school, not this hawking.
Amara, you don't have to be worried. You should be thanking God that this her hawking business has helped her stop bringing you high BP. You don't have to be worried. Yes, now, because according to her, she said this hawking is her calling. I don't think it will allow her go back to her fighting in the streets.
You think so?
I think so. Because if you see the joy and energy, I think she has stopped already for her to be hawking in the street, not fighting, thinking that for how long have you not shouted, Ichaka, stop fighting? How long? She's enjoying her business.
Oh, my friend, you're really trying for Ichaka. Oh, thank you.
What are friends for? You know my friend. What I will do for sister, I will do for you.
Let's go to the market.
All right, dear. You're sweet, Akara.
Listen, Evelyn. Don't think you can blackmail my emotion. I am not a fool. I know exactly what you're doing.
Are you for real? Why on earth are men like this? Why is it hard to find a responsible guy who is not a cheat? And the worst is, they will be so proud of their stupidity.
Listen, I know your antics, but I promise you this time, you won't get a dime from me.
What stupid antics are you talking about? I am talking of your constant visit to village, leaving your business behind. Leonard, swear you're not visiting the village to see a girl.
And what right do you have to question me? Answer me. What right do you have to question me when I visit the village and when I choose to leave? Let me advise you. You better go and face your sugar daddy and leave me alone.
What? Are you boldly accusing me of cheating on you?
Denied. No, denied. You think I don't know? You think I don't know that you've been sleeping around? You stupid fool.
Stop it! Stop it, Leonard. How dare you? How dare you, Leonard? How dare you call me names?
Did you just slap me?
And I will do it again and again if you try this nonsense. Oh, this is confirming my suspicions with no regards to my feelings. I will deal with you and that your bitch.
Get out.
Stupid.
Get out. We are done. Get out. Fool.
to no vex now. No vex. I don't know, say this thing will make you cry like this. I mean, just say, if I fight finish, say, if I come back, you go clap for me. Or say I defend myself now.
We can clap for you. Eh? Say you defend yourself. Ichaka, what evil did I commit? What evil did I commit to have you as a niece? Why can't I have 1 month peace of mind? Why? Because I have you as a niece.
It's my fault. It's my fault.
No, not my fault.
You'll be seen on your fault too. The fight will be between me and Onyema. Me, I just do my own fight. Onyema carrying stupid self. Come. Person buy me egg roll. Person buy egg roll. Come pay for only buns. Already you don't chop the egg roll. Come the tell me say na small egg dey inside. Say you go pay for semi egg roll and semi bun. Say what happen now?
Yeah.
I do them sharp. Don't be saying na my fault.
Must you fight? Ichaka, must you fight? Everything about you, fight. Can't you call people around to help you settle the matter?
No. Anybody go do anyhow, go collect anyhow.
Yeah.
Call anybody. As I dey beat am, na so stupid Onyema enter. Me, I beat am join na.
Yeah. Clap for yourself. As you don't give everybody boto. Have you seen yourself? Now see what they've done to you. See the injury you've done to yourself. Have you seen it?
No be only me carry injury. Last, all of us carry injury. All of us carry injury go home. He collect. Onyema collect. Me, I collect. But make Onyema no say this fight never ends. Because anyway, when I catch Onyema, 2 of us go dig am out. May watch and see.
Just shut up your mouth. So you still want to fight in this condition? Ichaka, you still want to fight? Hey! Now I know that you don't like yourself. You don't like yourself at all. Are you possessed with a fighting spirit? Eh? Idikwa, okay? Are you alright? Hey, God, oh. Hey! This girl, you will not kill me, oh. You will not kill me. You hear me? You will not kill me. Continue. Go and fight. Let them kill you.
Babe, what the hell is wrong with you? How can you slap a full-grown man in public? If he had beaten you up now, you would call him a girlfriend beater.
He would dare not. Did you hear me? He will not try it. If he tries it, I will show him the stuff I'm made of. How dare he call me names? How dare he call me a loose girl? Don't know that I will fire that guy. Don't know that I will fire him. Now, but that girl is still there.
In as much I don't support the words he used on you, but you know he's right. He said it out of provocation and frustration. Listen, if you don't love him, let him go. Let him live his life in peace. We both know you don't even love him.
Saint Queenette, you know that is not possible. And let me tell you, if I find out you are the one furnishing him with doings about me in this city, I will make life miserable for you.
You know hold your side. Hold your side. Do you think he's daft? With the type of treatment you've meted on him, who wouldn't know that you're seeing multiple men? Don't just use your own to spoil his own, please. If you don't love him, leave him alone. Let him live his life in peace, please.
Let me ask you. If I was dating only Leonard, if Leonard was the only man in my life, how do you think I'm going to afford all this lifestyle I'm living? From you? Obviously not, because I know you don't have shisha.
Evelyn, whatever you do, leave him alone. Enjoy your multiple men in peace. Leave him to live his life, please.
The way I'm looking at you, Queeness, the way I'm looking at you, let me just investigate and find out you know something, as you're the one giving Leonard information, because this is your sudden empathy for him. Let me find out.
God, you're impossible.
Let me just find out you have a hand in it. You know me, I don't get joy.
Oh, sorry. Come here, son. When did you even become a troublemaker to fight to this extent? Eh?
I'm not a troublemaker. It's that foolish girl. I saw her beating one of my friends, so I have to beat her very, very well.
Wait, oh. Did I hear you say girl? You mean you fought a girl because of another girl?
Me, how can I do that? She was actually fighting a guy. Yes. And when I put her, she wanted to beat me too. Although it was a tough fight between me and her, but I dealt with her. I'm sure that the stuff I'm made of. Don't know.
I told you. Beating a girl is not good for your character. You shouldn't be beating a girl. It's not. Promise me you will never lay a finger on a woman again. It's a man. Okay.
I'm not. I promise. Mama, I promise. I will never beat a woman. But if you open eye for me, you should go collect.
Okay.
No, she will not collect. Mama, she will not collect. Mama.
I don't understand.
I'm seriously tired. I don't know what else to do. I don't know. I don't know what else to do. I'm tired.
Baby, you don't have to be tired. I believe with time, she'll get better.
When? When and how? Tell me. Just look at what we were celebrating that she has changed. Now look at what she just did. When will Ichaka, when will she change? When?
But babe, I wanted to look at this from her own side too. She said someone bought something from her and refuses to pay. Then someone else stepped in and fight. I mean, what would you have her do? Fold her hands and watch? Baby, listen. She did the right thing.
Why are you always on her side? Why? Why are you always taking her side? Maybe you should come to the house and see her face. This person really dealt with her.
Okay, what do you want us to do? What's the plan?
I'm begging you. Let us come to the city and stay at your house. Maybe if I start work, she can go back to school. Look, I believe a change of environment will help her a lot. It will help her.
Baby, that would have been a good idea, a very good one, if there's a place for you guys in the city. But for now, my place is not conducive enough.
Is there something I should know? Are you hiding anything from me?
No. What do you mean?
I don't know, because anytime the issue of me coming to your house in the city, you get really uncomfortable. Even if it's just to visit.
Babe, where are you going to with your box? I'm sure you obviously don't want me to tell you. You want me to tell you, so you start preaching that you are holier than Osama. Never reach like that now. You know that I always advise you. But it's still up to you to take it or you leave it. Most times you end up doing what is on your mind.
Well, let me tell you, since you're my friend, I noticed that it's because I moved out of Leonard's house. That's what gave him the guts to be bringing lots of women in his house. So I'm moving back to his house.
Vivi, are you serious or you're joking? How do you know?
I know, I'm not a small girl.
And I ask you again, how do you know he brings girls to his house? If you carry your box and move your things to his house, do you think you still have the freedom to be going out to see other men? Or do you think men will be able to visit you in his house? Think it though.
You know, sometimes I wonder if you're truly my friend. Yes, because if you are my friend, if you know me well, you should know that Evelyn knows how to coordinate things. I'll coordinate myself in his house.
Coordinator. You have forgotten that was the reason why you ran away from his house to my place. Have you forgotten that? And you know that you slapped him the other day. So how do you think he will even allow you into his house?
It's true. Why? And he might even wake up one night and choke me to death.
You've seen it now.
But my friend, what do I do now? I can't just fold my hand and allow him dump me like that.
Evelyn, you cannot move to his house. Sometimes I even wonder if everything is alright with you. Please come back inside so he will not kill you. Please, give me your box.
Are you trying to say I'm the problem?
Don't go anywhere, my friend. Don't go.
My name is Onyema, Wechi, nobody knows tomorrow. I cut on my face, my ears, my nose, I nose and I cut on my face, my nose, my ears, to bad morning from mama, from Nemo, from mama.
Where are you going with that book?
Business. I want to start up your business.
God forbid. I will not allow you to do that.
Might have to allow me. We need money in this house before hunger will wire somebody.
Hunger will not do anything to us. You think I'm not strong enough? I'm strong enough to go back.
I know you are strong enough, but as man of the house, I need to hustle first. Make I hustle first.
It's for mama, Makanemo, Onye kuchuzo kwatu Makamama, Onye mechio.
Of this nonsense. Are you not supposed to go for your business today?
No business today. Today now, Kung Fu and Karate Taekwondo day.
If I slap you, Ijaka, if I slap you, what's the meaning of this rubbish?
This is not be any rubbish. Oh. This is not be any rubbish. I don't want what happen now last time may happen again. I don't want them. You see this iron on here, man. He go learn in lesson. I don't want them.
See, if I open my eyes and you have not disappeared from this place, what I will do to you, What I will do
what
to you?
you go do? No allow me give you my fucking nekito. No allow me.
Okay, you're still talking. Iboki nekito. Okay, wait. Ijaka, wait for me. Shebi you. Go. To your
Hey.
Go. To your business. Okay, you see.
Chai. Play.
Babe.
Count your own.
Babe, the way that you have been talking about Leonard lately, it's obvious that you follow for him. But you're just forming Queen Latifah.
Babe, play make I no go win you now. You go say na because say the gist now. Why you know they play? The last time I checked, my name no be Queen.
See, you just divert this talk. Now it's obvious that you actually love him, but you don't let your ego ruin things for you.
You say you be rich, and now you don't hold me for where I know if you escape. Yes, I love Leonard, and I don't know what to do. I'm confused.
Babe, nothing is wrong with you. Your heart has been telling you genuinely that you're in love. What every woman needs now is to find genuine love, not to go about multiple men.
Yeah, I agree with you. Leonard is so nice and kind. But I feel I have offended him so much that I don't even know how to go about it. I don't know if he will accept me back, if I should change and turn a new leaf.
Babe, that depends on how you go about it. You have to stoop to conquer.
You know you're so intelligent. Eh? If person they look you, eh? You don't say you be witch too. If person they look you with your innocent face, the person go to say you don't know anything. You not gonna say you be bad.
You know I always got your back. What are friends for?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Just do what I said.
I will. I will play. Thank you.
I don't they win you.
I play.
Babe, don't win me for this game.
Bring on.
Ichaka, 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 ichaka. Trouble no dey tire you. Ichaka, ichaka. Wahala no dey tire you. Ichaka, 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 ichaka. Every day trouble. Ichaka, ichaka, ichaka. Answer your call. My call no dey finish. Answer your call. Everything na call. Ichaka mo. My call no dey finish. Answer your call. Everything na call. Hey,
What is going on?
You never see Kung Fu baby before?
No, I never see you. Ichaka, why have you not been coming to sell? So you are totally fine. Eh?
What do you mean? Ha! Auntie Njide. I don't know say people wicked like this. If no be say I dey see you like my madam, I for say your head no correct. I no go talk am. So you see they pray for me, make I still carry plaster, they walk up and down. Make I no fine by now. They wish me well, oh. They wish me well, oh, for our own good, oh. For our own good, oh.
Ichaka, you know, that's not what I meant. Okay, tell me, why have you not been coming to sell? Oh.
Change of calling. I don't change calling. Maybe say I don't forget the working calling. No, that will never go. But I don't want to make what happened the last time make it happen again. I don't want to make anybody defeat me. Nobody go try. I never go because of me. Now what happened?
Jack, are you okay? Are you sure you're okay?
I'm okay. In fact, over okay, they worry me.
Okay, one do confirm. Karat, kill me. Now only you want to do all those things. Remain, no. Make you no go die, you. Remain, no. Remain, no.
Answer your call. My call not the finish. Answer your call. Everything na call. Ichaka we mo. My call not the finish. Answer your call. Everything na call. Hey, bambarim barim. What the fuck, Bakariwa? Zumperim perim. What the fuck, Bakariwa? Ichaka. Trouble no dey tire you. She want to do everything.
Mama, where are you going now? You're supposed to be resting by now, so you'll be strong enough.
And who told you I'm not strong enough? Come, I told you not to go out, and you disobeyed me. Why?
As the man of the house, now I have to hustle. And Mama Luck shine on me today. I need 3,000.
I will not touch that money until you tell me the source. How did you get the money to start off that business?
Oh, have you forgotten that man that dashed me water before scoring 2 goals in our match? That's when I used to start off my business now.
Eh?
Yeah.
How much is this?
3,000 something.
You used 1,000 and you made 2,000.
3,000.
One day.
Yes, now that's why I told you Lord shine on me today.
What shine the one?
I just need 1,000.
Okay. Yay!
So Mama, go and rest. I make enough money for today. So
okay, my
we
son.
need tomorrow.
Okay.
Alright, let's go now.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Onye maziechi. He brought the joy and comfort to Mama. What could Mama have done without you? Onye mechi. You saved Mama from shame. You give Mama hope.
Look, you don't have to apologize to me. Yes, because you've done nothing wrong. It's your choice. But I've also chosen that we have to define what we have in this relationship.
Baby, what are you saying? What? What have I not done to prove my love for you?
I don't deny the fact that you are providing my needs. But I cannot be in a relationship that's built on lies. I cannot.
Babe, what are you saying? Built on lies?
Yes. Yes. When you hide things from me, what do you call it? Eh? And I want to know that thing that you're hiding that makes you not want me to come and visit you. Leonard, what is it? What are you hiding?
Baby, come on. That I don't want you to visit me yet doesn't mean I'm hiding things from you. Maybe I'm trying to protect you, but I need you to understand with me.
Are you being serious right now? I see. You know what? I appreciate everything you've done for me. I appreciate you for being there for me. But you see, from now on, I will start fending for myself and my needs. Maybe, just maybe, when the time is ripe, then we will know which way forward in this relationship. That's if it still exists.
No, baby, wait. Baby, I mean, listen, babe, I love you, okay? I love you, and I am not cheating. Hello? Hello, babe.
Hi, baby. How are you?
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing here?
Hey! Leonard, you should at least respond to my greetings. Yes. See, I've realized my mistakes and that's why I'm here to say sorry. I seriously do not know what came over me. Yes.
Really? You came to say sorry? You must have grown so much balls to come to my house to say sorry.
I'm so sorry.
Don't you dare get close to me! Are you mad? Let me have my keys! Let me have my keys! Okay?
What are you doing?
Where's my keys? Evelyn, where are my keys?
Take it easy.
Where is it? Let me have my keys! Now listen. Next time I'll see your two left legs in my house, I swear to God, I will kill you. Now, get out! Get out! Get out!
Babe, na narrow escape I do today. I've never seen you this angry since I met him. Now today I know say that guy na lion as the name implies. He nearly choked me to death.
But babe, you know say you fuck up. You went to do something else after I've already told you what to do. How do you think that someone will be enticed by you? Now you see where it has gotten you.
Will you blame me? I thought maybe as a young guy now, if he sees succulent body, that his mind will come down.
I didn't even know that the thing will help and bring out the beast in him.
All men have beasts that rear its head once they are pushed to the wall. Babe, you have to do what I told you if you really want to get his heart again.
Are you sure it will work? Because from what I saw, you are not there now. It's me that will tell you what happened. From what I saw, I'm even very scared to go close to Leo.
I've told you, just do what I said. Then thank me later.
You have to.
Ichaka! Will you stop that thing you're doing? See, I want us to talk.
Calm down. Now money be this, any money for that matter. See, they do my training. If I finish, you go flog me. I know saying I'm flogging. You go flog me if I finish. After all, flogging there for the training. So come down, make her finish.
And who is talking about flogging? Eh? Who said I want to flog you? Come, I want us to talk business.
Business?
Yes.
You mean that? Hey, what kind of business?
See, I want to join you in this your hawking business. So that we can make more money and more gains.
Makes sense. Makes sense. But you just say no be one the one will make you use sex trap for me.
Jack, I'm serious, I am dead serious. I want to join your hawking business now. So that anybody that wants to look for your job, and you run to me and I will cover you.
Makes sense. Makes sense. If I take 5, you try.
Oh yeah, stop this thing you're doing.
Enter. You go enter.
I know you will like this one.
I like them now. Anything will be business. Piam. I go enter. Nah. You don't say this your agent now. You go give me courage. Maybe I go do this my kung fu way, do one. So that if anybody enter, go cross out. You understand?
You will not go and look for something better to do. This early morning, look at what you're doing.
Now training. Make I strong, make I strong for you and me. I go strong for me and you. You and I. Now what are they do?
This is serious. This girl has never acted this way towards me since I knew her. I must have really wronged her. All because of this crazy Evelyn. If I lose Amara, I swear to God I will so deal with you, evil Evelyn. It's a promise. I'll deal with you.
fall into temptation. You can never lead me into temptation. Come fight me. I am wiser than you, serpent. Come fight me, serpent. Me, serpent. Oyana. I will give you snake bite too. No, I will give you snake bite too. No, leave. I jump and pass. You know if you jump and pass. Let me tell you. You know if you jump and pass. Hey! You want to try my blood? Yes! Come beat me. Come beat me. You break my blood. Yes. My business. Yes. Hey!